Hello everyone, and welcome to another part of the Project Atlantis, and this is the third accessories video. So we will take a look at a new ship that will be part of the, Atlantis fleet. So, without further ado, this time it's 304, so we can say, Daedalus. So, yeah, just like before, it is here resting on its, well, resting place, I guess. And um, yeah, it's done in the same manner as before, so the plate will be snapped in place simply by friction, and the ship will simply rest in it. Now, the ship is relatively straightforward. I tried to make it, let's say, a little bit simpler. So yeah, quite a lot of details are now gone, but as you can see, the ship is made out only of two parts, this and this, with the connector piece in the middle that holds both halves together. So yeah, this is basically the area on which it will be printed. Yeah, so yeah, that's that's it for the ship. That's it for the stand. And yeah, that's it. So I guess now we can go to print and put everything together.
Okay, so here we have the first piece or first half. Here we have the second. So we will take the connector piece and simply put it inside to the cavity, and then take the second half and put the two halves together like that, and that's it. Yeah, that's the Daedalus. And here is the resting place. Yeah, so like that. Okay. Okay, so now we will take this piece and put it here, yeah, right next to Prometheus. And we will take the Daedalus and put it here. And our fleet is once again bigger. Yeah. So here is the Daedalus resting next to its sister ship Prometheus. Okay. Yeah. So this is it. So that will be all for now, and we will see each other in the next part. Have a very nice day, and bye bye.